Hi, my name is Grassman and I'm a physical therapist at Freedom's Fox Point location. Today I want to talk about one of the most hated lower extremity strengthening exercises, the Bulgarian Split Squat. The Bulgarian Split Squat is actually a really great single leg stability and strength exercise that utilizes a lot of quad and a lot of glute. The biggest issue that I see with the Bulgarian Split Squat is the setup, so let's talk about that. I'm going to show you the tip that I use when I perform the split squat to get the perfect distance between you and your surface or your bench. So first you want to start by standing away from your surface. You're going to take your passive leg and pop that foot on top of your surface just so that the top of your foot is touching the surface. Then you're going to sit your bottom back onto your heel, straighten your foot, and then stand up. Now you're at the perfect distance between you and your bench or your surface. Now you have to decide, do you want to use more of a quad emphasis or a glute emphasis for your active leg? If you want more of a quad emphasis, have more of an upright posture and bend straight down. If you want more of a glute max emphasis, bring your hips into a little bit of flexion when you perform the exercise. You'll notice a little bit more of a glute burn that way. I also really like to perform these with my shoes off so that I get a little bit of intrinsic foot stability going on. And then if you want to make it harder, you can grab 2 dumbbells, you can grab a kettlebell to just add a little bit more weight to that exercise. Hopefully these tips will help you to hate your Bulgarian split squat just a little bit less.